showing you this villain hand design, not in a tutorial way because I could not record it as I mentioned yesterday. It hurt. It was so awkward and so uncomfortable and it was not gonna happen. So you're gonna see a quick little special effect with it, just like the before and after, and then lots of pictures. I will load it up with pictures of all the wonderful things we did on our vacation. Princesses, she got to see different experiences we did. One thing I do want to mention is that this little daredevil was just tall enough to go on Tower of Terror, and she did it! And I was so proud of her because she doesn't like big hills on roller coasters, as she says, but that one wasn't hills, it was just straight up and down. So she was like, sure, I'm going! And she did so great, and it was just so fun to watch her face as we went up and down. So I hope you guys like this design and this little video as much as I do, and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well. So here's the before and dun 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 dun, the after. That little clip was just so much fun to make, and even though I couldn't really record a video, here's an extra little video of these villain nails. Each princess has the corresponding villain, and they go, so like the pinkies match up, the ring fingers, etc., down the line. So I was very careful in picking which princesses I wanted to do, so I made sure that I got the villains that I needed to do, even though I was so tempted to just do a full two-hand set of Cruella to go to Disney, and I'm not sure if it weren't for Melody, I think that might have been what I did, and I might have to do that just for my own sake pretty soon anyway. So if you'd like to see that full Cruella all the way, really detailed design, definitely post a comment in the description box below. Here's Melody's little fingernails. Oh, she was so excited.
Oh, that's a really pretty smile, honey.
Please soar through the skies in the kingdom of Apple. What animals would you want to turn into? Shark, just a shark. Right, may I hold your hands? Right, can we smile for mom? Can I give you a big hug? No.
Look at that.
Can we take one more portrait together?
So pretty.
I'm so excited! 1, 2, 3.
I did see it.
Look,
Right over the
more dinosaurs.
Oh, more dinosaurs.
Oh, there's T-Rexes.
T-Rex.
Look, look. And this one.
You're not holding anymore. Are you sleepy?
The eyeballs.
Spooky eyeballs. These ones?
Yeah, stop doing that though. Because that was cool.
How about this?
Stop that. Don't
don't do any more spooky stuff.
Your hands weren't on the rail. Okay, is this spooky?
Yeah. Yeah. Stop doing spooky stuff. Stop playing and fail.
Can you do those spooky eyeballs? Oh, you're not holding the rail.
Hey.
I hope you guys like this quick little lookbook of what we did on our vacation. It was definitely abbreviated, but it was just a fun little sneak peek. I am so excited to be back home though and working on nail videos for you guys again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!